Have you ever heard about the legendary rescue operation that took place in the remote Yukon during the harsh winter of 1978? Picture this, a convoy of vehicles, including a rugged jeep, a colossal crane, a powerful excavator, and a fleet of trucks, battling against the brutal, snow-covered wilderness to save an isolated mining community cut off by an avalanche. As the race against time unfolded, the jeep scouted ahead, navigating treacherous paths and scouting for the safest routes. The excavator dug tirelessly, clearing debris, while the crane lifted massive boulders out of the way. Trucks hauled essential supplies over icy roads, their tires barely gripping the frozen ground. Each vehicle played a crucial role, showcasing unparalleled teamwork and grit. The heroic effort not only rescued the miners but also left a lasting legacy of courage and determination in the face of nature's fury.